There's a massive hose, and it does come with this actual faucet head, garden hose attachment. All right, I'm just going to hook this up, attach it to this thing here. This is what I use to actually roll up the hose. I can crank this and roll it up. I just need to attach my hose here. You might need to attach it at the actual faucet itself. But now I'm going to go ahead and turn the water on, and we're going to use this 100-foot stainless steel hose. Before I do that though, I do want to attach this part here on the end. So I'm going to attach these two by simply screwing them together. The actual head itself does put out a lot of pressure. So here's some lettuce that we're growing, some beets, and the shower head actually works really well. It's not like trickling out slowly. It's actually working well. We got other settings on here. It does show me clearly at the top exactly what it's going to look like with the little symbols. This one's more of a cone shape, which is also good for gardening. This one is a flat V shape. It has a higher pressure setting. We got a mister. We got more of a wide area. That one's really handy. You can get the whole garden bed like that. So many different options here. I think I still prefer the shower, so I'm going to use that. One thing that I really like is that it doesn't get tangled like the green hoses do. So the green hoses often fold on themselves and get tangled. This one does not. Let's go ahead and see how far this actually reaches. All right, so this hose goes all the way from the faucet, goes here, does a little loop, and then it literally goes around the corner, and it's going to actually reach all the garden beds that I have. So all the way back there in the corner. So I still have room even to bring it even farther. Don't mind the mess. I got to do a little bit of weed eating, but the hose itself reaches every part of the garden that I need to. That's the potato bed back there. Peppers, tomatoes, and marigolds, they're struggling a little bit this year in this bed. It's been a hot one. Strawberries, everything else. So this hose works really well because it's super durable compared to the green hoses. With this one, it is stainless steel, and with this one, it is steel. So whenever you try and actually bend this, it does not kink on itself. It doesn't twist on itself. It's an extra durable, extra strong stainless steel hose. I'm very happy with this, and with it being 100 feet, it helps me reach all the parts of my garden. And I do actually appreciate the garden hose head attachment on this. It actually does do really well when it comes to actually watering the garden beds. Puts out a lot of pressure. I hope this was helpful for you. Happy gardening and happy watering.